Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Writing Tutorials. If your GPA is lower than expected and you're applying to a college or university, you may be asked to explain it. Instead of leaving admissions officers with questions, a clear and honest explanation letter helps you provide context while showing growth and readiness. In today's video, we are going to learn how to write a Letter Explaining Low GPA. Let's get started. Contact information. At the top of the letter, include your full name, home address, email address, and phone number. This is standard business letter formatting and helps the admissions committee identify your application. This section is important because it presents you professionally and keeps your letter organized. Date. Next, leave a space and write the date. The date shows when the letter was written and is important for official records. In this example, we write May 3rd, 2026. Simple and professional. Always use the full date format. Recipient's details. After that, include the admissions committee name, university name, and address. For example, Admissions Committee, Westbridge University, 210 College Avenue, Columbus, Ohio, 43210. This shows that your letter is specifically prepared for that institution and not generic. Subject line. Now let's move to the subject line. A subject line tells the reader exactly what the letter is about. Write. Subject. Explanation of low GPA. Keep it clear and direct so the purpose is immediately understood. Salutation. Next is the greeting. Write. Dear Admissions Committee, always include a comma and keep it formal. Introduction. Paragraph. Now we begin the first paragraph. In this paragraph, clearly state why you are writing. For this sample, write, I hope this letter finds you well. I am writing to provide context and explanation regarding my academic performance, specifically my cumulative GPA, as part of my application to Westbridge University. Let's break this down. The first sentence is a polite opening. I hope this letter finds you well. This creates a respectful tone. The second sentence clearly explains your purpose. I am writing to provide context and explanation regarding my academic performance, specifically my cumulative GPA, as part of my application to Westbridge University. This is important because it directly addresses the concern and makes your intention clear from the beginning. Explanation of low GPA. Now let's look at the second paragraph, which explains the reason behind your low GPA. This is the most important part of the letter. You need to be honest, but still professional. Let's go sentence by sentence. First, during my earlier semesters, I faced several personal and academic challenges that significantly impacted my performance. This introduces the situation in a general and professional way. Then, in my sophomore year, I experienced a family-related situation that required my attention and emotional support, which affected my ability to fully concentrate on my studies. This provides more specific context without oversharing unnecessary details. Next, at the same time, I was adjusting to the increased academic demands of my program, and I initially struggled to manage my time effectively. This adds an academic reason and shows self-awareness. This paragraph is important because it explains the cause behind your GPA instead of leaving it unexplained. Improvement and growth. Now let's move to the next paragraph, which focuses on improvement. This section shows how you responded to the challenges. First sentence, despite these challenges, I took meaningful steps to improve both my academic performance and personal discipline. This shows a positive shift in responsibility. Second sentence, I sought guidance from academic advisors, developed stronger study habits, and learned to better balance my responsibilities. This gives clear actions you took to improve. Third sentence. As a result, my grades showed a consistent upward trend in my later semesters, reflecting my commitment to growth and improvement. This is very important because it shows actual results, not just effort. Additional strengths. Now let's move to the next paragraph. This paragraph highlights your strengths outside academics. First sentence. In addition, I actively engaged in extracurricular activities and part-time work, which helped me build valuable skills such as responsibility, time management, and teamwork. This shows that you were still productive and developing skills. Second sentence. These experiences have strengthened my overall profile and prepared me to succeed in a more rigorous academic environment. This connects your experiences to your future success. This paragraph is important because it shows you are more than just your GPA. Final justification. Now let's move to the next paragraph, where you reinforce your readiness. First sentence. While my GPA may not fully reflect my capabilities, I believe my academic progress, determination, and personal development demonstrate my readiness for further study. This directly addresses the weakness, but shifts focus to your strengths. Second sentence. I am highly motivated to continue improving and to contribute positively to your academic community. This shows confidence and future commitment. This is important because admissions officers want to see your potential. Closing paragraph. Now let's move to the closing paragraph. Right. Thank you for considering my application. I sincerely appreciate your time and understanding. The first sentence expresses gratitude. The second sentence reinforces respect and professionalism. Closing. Finally, end your letter with, Sincerely, Nathan Brooks. Sincerely is a standard and safe closing for formal letters. And that's how you write a strong letter explaining low GPA. Remember, be honest about your challenges, show how you improved, and highlight your strengths. That combination helps admissions committees see your true potential. I hope this tutorial helps you write your own letter with confidence. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Writing Tutorials, and thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.